Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Flask. Today we are going to learn how to upload the file in the Python Flask. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to create upload form.html file into your HTML templates. So here we go with this one. So let's create the templates. We have to go with this file name. So let's create a simple form that is of HTML. Okay, let's paste this. Right now we have to, this is the form, basic form data, post request. Okay, now we have to on the server side we have to create the Python script for uploading the file. Okay, so let's copy this and add it over here. So here we go with this one. So let's, here we require the uploads folder, so let's create that one also. So let me go with the folder uploads. Okay, so this is done. Let's understand the code. So route is slash upload form. So render html, when we put the slash, so it will render the upload form.html. We know that render html part, render template part, right? So when I, there is another route, that is when we submit the form, then upload route is hit with the post request. So this is upload file function. So if the file is not there in the request files, then no file is there. If the request.files is there, then first we check that the file name should not be blank, then return that no selected file. Okay, if the file is there, then we will make the save to the uploads directory with the file name and return that the file uploaded successfully and app.run debug true. So when we do the debug true, that means we don't need to restart the server again and again. Let's go and just like do like this. Okay, so let's open this one. This is the file in the route. Let's browse this, any of the image. Okay, so any image, that is phone gap. So let's upload this, and file uploaded successfully. Let's go to the folder, and here we have the uploads. Here you can see that this image is there. Okay, so this is how you can easily upload the files in your Python with the help of the Flask. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.